Hello, happy people! Today, we ask ourselves this question that is sometimes not very easy to answer. What makes people happy? We know that happiness is different for everyone, but there are a few things that generally make most people happy. Number 1. Social connections. Spending time with friends, family, or a partner can bring joy and a sense of belonging. We can see this when we visit our parents or grandparents who often greet us with enthusiasm, genuine joy. Number 2. Purpose and achievement. Having goals and achieving them gives satisfaction and pride. Plan your days or your week, and at night before you go to sleep, review what you will do the next day. This will keep you motivated and eager to get things done, thus avoiding procrastination. Number 3. Physical and mental well-being. Eating well, exercising, and resting improves your mood. Here personally, something that helps me a lot to stay in good spirits is to sleep well, have a sleep routine, go to bed at the same time. Usually at p.m. and I sleep if everything goes well until 6:30 a.m. Otherwise, I feel like I'm not in a good mood. Otherwise, I feel I am not at the top of my concentration and my mood is disturbed. My happy people, I know you liked this episode, so give me a like and subscribe for more content to make us happy. Number 4. Experiences and moments. Traveling, trying new things, or simply enjoying a sunset can bring happiness. I get a thrill out of stargazing, listening to the birds, and of course, traveling also brings me satisfaction, especially when it comes to learning about other cultures. Number 5. Simple pleasures. Music, a good meal, laughing with someone, or cuddling a pet. When you are getting ready to start your day, put on some music that brings joy and rhythm to the day. And finally, number 6. Be grateful. Gratitude has powerful effects on our mind, body, and relationships. Practicing it regularly can improve our overall well-being and make us happier. Don't get out of bed without giving thanks for 5 things you feel or that surround you. For example, you can give thanks for the sense of sight that allows you to admire the beautiful details that surround you in life. Happy people, I know you liked this episode, so give me a like and subscribe for more content that makes us happy. See you soon!